all of these memories in just a few years. I am surely going to miss all of this. Will you? This is where my ideas grew. This is where my friendship began. And this is where I discovered what I want to become.
My time at St. Francis has been truly amazing. The faculty were very supportive and encouraged me to grow both academically and personally. I was also lucky to be surrounded by amazing friends who made learning more meaningful and fun. Every moment here is a memory I will cherish forever.
St. Francis College has been a collection of many different experiences that have turned me into what I am today. The best part of the college are the industry visits, industry experts taking classes, and the Bethel retail store operations. All these experiences and moments that I'm bagging up today are going to be what I want to be tomorrow.
St. Francis shaped me in ways I never imagined, and somewhere along the way, it truly became a home. With every challenge, every opportunity, and every friendship, I grew into a better and confident version of myself. Today, as I look back, I realize St. Francis didn't just give me a degree. It gave me unforgettable experiences, growth, and a person that I'm truly proud to have become. Forever grateful for this incredible journey.
St. Francis College has given me immense exposure in terms of paper presentations and has taught me how to navigate through text and develop deeper insights while also applying them to real life.
My time at St. Francis College has been a great learning journey. The college provides a supportive environment where students can grow in knowledge, wisdom, discipline, and confidence. The guidance from faculty and my experience here have helped me develop academically, professionally, and personally. I am forever grateful to my college.
Someone once said you'll only realize what Francis means to you once you've left it, and I think that's so true because when you're here, it feels like everyday life. You attend classes, events, spend time with friends, and make memories that you don't think of that much at the time. But it's only when you leave you realize how much of it you'll always carry with you. And for me, all the experiences that I have lived and I'll cherish were lived through Eureka, through friendships, and through so much more.
St. Francis has been a place of self-discovery for me. It introduced me to the art of expression and enabled me to think on my feet, lead with confidence, and connect with people. My time here has been a journey of discovering the world and in the process, discovering myself.
When I first came here, everything felt confusing and unfamiliar. Over the 3 years, with friendships, chai breaks, and teachers who push you to do better, this place really started to feel more meaningful. Eventually, I believe college becomes what you make of it.
Hello everyone, I'm Muskan Singh from BSc SCH. I was always been interested in cultural activities, and St. Francis College has given me the perfect platform to showcase my talents and follow my interest. This experience helped me to grow in many ways and grow in confidence. Being a part of St. Francis family has been an immense privilege. Memories, what I've created here, will always stay a lifetime. Honestly, saying goodbye to St. Francis College is not easy. A part of my heart will always belong here.
Being a part of Francis has been a truly enriching and memorable experience for me. This place helped me grow, learn, not just academically, but also personally, building confidence within me to face the future. This environment has always encouraged me to question, think, explore, and push myself, something for which I'll always be grateful for.
My experience at St. Francis has truly been enriching. The college provides great environment for learning, with supportive faculty and excellent infrastructure that makes the campus life comfortable and engaging. What makes this place special is the diverse student community and the opportunities we get to learn beyond classrooms. If I had to choose again, I would choose St. Francis without a second thought.
These 3 years at St. Francis did exactly what a college is supposed to do. It pushed me far out of my comfort zone. Organizing management fests will remain a core memory. Those long hours have taught me much more of confidence and leadership than any textbook ever could. A big thank you to my faculty who've mentored me and my peers for all the shared laughter and memories. I think we've not just studied management, we've lived it.
When I look back at my time in St. Francis, I realize how much this college has actually shaped me. It has helped me grow, explore new ideas, and look at things from different perspectives. This college has given me such great environment where I was constantly able to challenge myself and become the version my past self would be really proud of. And of course, I'm beyond grateful to all my teachers for their excellent guidance and for my friends for giving me such great memories. I'll carry these memories and these lessons as I move forward with my life.
My college is the best part of my life. It's not just about attending classes, it's about making memories and having experiences all along the way. There are challenges too, but it helps me stay motivated and gives me more life lessons. The guidance from my professors and the support from my friends makes the journey even more special. Looking back, college has given me so many memories, friendships, and experiences that I will always cherish.
Today, I stand at the end of this beautiful journey at St. Francis College for Women. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone. You have not only taught us subjects in books, but also life lessons that will stay with us forever. Thank you to my faculty and my friends who have been supporting me throughout the year.
I'm proud to be a Franciscan.
I'm a proud Franciscan.
I am proud to be a Franciscan.
I'm a proud Franciscan.
Proud to be Franciscan.
I am a proud Franciscan.
Proud to be a Franciscan.
I am a proud Franciscan.
Proud to be a Franciscan.
I'm a proud Franciscan.
I'm a proud Franciscan.
I'm a proud Franciscan. I'm a proud Franciscan.
Proud to be a Franciscan.
I am a proud Franciscan.
I am proud to be a Franciscan.
Dear students of the batch of 25-26, it's time to say goodbye to you. Though it's quite difficult, I feel that you're not truly leaving St. Francis. You're taking a part of St. Francis with you. You have learned a lot of things here. You may even forget a lot of things. But I want you to remember something that you heard every day morning during the assembly. That is to love than be loved, to understand rather than be understood, and to comfort rather than be comforted. May God bless you in all your endeavors. God bless you.
Starter, sir, are you recording all of this?
The college, sorry, I forgot.
I'll come again, sir.
I think starting Saturday.
Keep the frame steady, I'll walk.
I'll start again, 1 minute. Just give me a minute.
That's it. I'll come. Done.
Hello everyone, this is K. Nikita from Continue.
It has helped me grow, build new perspective.
All this experience has helped me to develop in confidence and
Has truly enriched and once again.
sound थोड़ा कम करो रे.
I am proud to be a Franciscan. One more take.
One more time.
I went wrong in that. Is it enough, Ram?